everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that's been getting a lot of attention lately, CBD Care Gummies. If you've been looking for a natural way to ease stress, sleep better, or deal with everyday aches, you might want to stick around for this one. So what exactly are CBD Care Gummies? They're tasty, chewable gummies infused with CBD, short for cannabidiol. That's a natural compound from hemp plants. And don't worry, they're THC-free, so they won't make you high. Instead, they're designed to help you relax, improve sleep quality, and even support joint comfort. Each gummy contains a precise amount of CBD, making dosing simple and consistent. No messy oils, no bitter taste, just a sweet treat that's easy to take anywhere. All right, let's talk about what real users are saying. Many people report feeling calmer within just 30 minutes of taking a gummy. Others say they've been sleeping more soundly and waking up feeling refreshed. Some have noticed relief from sore muscles and joints after workouts or long days at work. Using CBD Care Gummies is easy. Start with one gummy a day. Take it in the morning for focus or at night for better sleep. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust if needed. But remember, CBD affects everyone differently. Some people notice changes quickly, others need a few days. And if you're on medication or have health conditions, talk to your doctor first. So, are CBD Care Gummies worth trying? If you're looking for a tasty, convenient, and natural way to manage stress, improve sleep, or ease everyday discomfort, they might just be what you need. And with all the positive feedback out there, they're worth a look. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check out the official page and learn more. If you've tried CBD Care Gummies, share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.